Hello students, welcome to new Inshort of Skill IAS. In this series, our discussion is Niti Aayog's State Energy and Climate Index. It is the first index that aims to track efforts made by states and union territory in the climate and energy sector. It has ranked states and union territory on 6 parameters including discom performance, energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. The states have been categorized based on size and geographical differences as larger and smaller states and union territory. The index is based on 2019-20 data. Gujarat, Kerala, Punjab have been ranked as the top 3 performance in the larger states category, while Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh were the bottom 3 states. Goa emerged as the top performer in the smaller states category, followed by Tripura and Manipur. After discussion, let's practice this question. Who among the following is not part of governing council of Niti Aayog? Option A, all chief minister of the states. B, chief minister of Delhi and Puducherry. C, governor of state. And D, lieutenant governor of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Write the answer in below comment box. Stay tuned for latest video question. Thank you so much.